Cool. Let's go straight to Andressa because I know you need to be leaving soon. So Andressa is one of our Mission Ready graduates. We're really pleased she's able to join us today. I will hand over to you now to share a couple of words and tell us your story.
Thank you, Diana. I was asked to keep it nice and short, so I'll try to be brief. So just so you know, who am I? Hey everyone, I'm Andressa. I'm from Brazil. I moved to New Zealand in 2018, and I've had different jobs throughout my time here in New Zealand. I started in hospitality, then I was working in buying. So I did buying for a fashion brand, and then I went to another company that I was buying homewares, but e-commerce isn't really my passion. So I just saw those as jobs, but I didn't see a lot of career progression in sight. So I decided to take advice from my partner, who's been telling me for 10 years, you should become a dev or you should work in tech. So I did join Mission Ready because out of the few options of career accelerators, it did seem like a solid option, and I'm glad I did because it really becomes a family if you think about it. And I've been telling all of this, we should have a alumni sort of meetup going because I would really love to talk to more people that have been through the same experiences as I did. But I digress. So I did decide to join Mission Ready. I did take the level 4 full stack development course, and then I decided that I wasn't absorbing and I wasn't performing as good as I wanted to. But so then I decided to still go ahead with my studies, but then I switched into UX. And it's funny now that Mission Ready is launching an AI-powered UX designer launchpad, which is essentially what I did. So you learn a bit of coding and then you learn design principles. And then I did also the 10-week internship at a startup as a UX designer. And yeah, so that was my story within Mission Ready. Outside of Mission Ready, when I graduated, I was working part-time in July last year. I decided to quit my job, and then I graduated, and then I hit a pause for everything, and I put my mental health back on track because that was very tiring. And then I decided to join Summer of Tech. I highly recommend Summer of Tech for your first tech job. And then I joined a job where it wasn't actually UX design, but it was marketing automation. It was a little bit of a line with what I did in the past. And I did have opportunity to actually design product in there, which was very exciting. So yeah, that's my first tip. Make sure you check out Summer of Tech. They are a leading graduate placement, job placement institution in New Zealand. My current role, I work with a former alumni also from Mission Ready, and that's my next tip. Make sure you really nurture those connections within Mission Ready. Work on your networking. Your friends potentially going to be your coworkers in the future because the tech industry in New Zealand is very, very small. And in terms of AI, the job that I have right now, I am coding a little bit. I am doing quite a bit of SQL coding because I am currently a customer success analyst. And essentially the customer is calling us saying, hey, I cannot get back into my account. Can you check what's going on? So you go in the database and you look at that. So I'm glad that I have that foundation. But also my plan for the future, why did I choose a customer success role? Because it's in the name of what I want to do, which is user experience design. I need to be in touch with in contact with the user. So, and that's my final tip. I'm trying not to take too much of your guys' times. That's my final tip. Your dream job is not going to be your first job, but you have to have a career strategy. So my strategy is I want entry level roles in tech. I just want to work in tech, and then I'll figure out the rest. And I'm glad that I did Mission Ready because that opens so many doors. You guys have no idea, but that's what my other friends are gonna attest to you in their testimonials as well. So yeah, feel free to give me a follow on LinkedIn if you want to know more. I usually don't add people that I don't know personally, but I am happy to talk to anyone who's from Mission Ready or who's interested in joining Mission Ready. And yeah, this is me. Thank you.
Amazing. What brilliant advice. Thank you so much, Andressa. Lots